fly JetBlue and welcome to Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah, what's up? This your boy Kareem back with another video. When I was in Jamaica, I did some shopping online. I'm gonna be opening some packages and sharing some stuff with you that I bought. One of my first packages that I want to open is from Vlado. Y'all know I love Vlado. If you watch my previous vlog, you see where I went shopping for some Vlado. This one is called the Vlado Milo. Y'all know, Rep Vlado. Can't wait to put these baby on. Damn. What do we have in here? Another box of Vlado. Oh yeah. Woo! Fifth box. This is called the Vlado Leon. This baseball jacket that I ordered, nice, feels good. I bet this will go great with. Which one do you think go well with this jacket here? Left or right? Black and red. Sounds good for some cheap headphones, but I guess it's probably worth it. Boom. This isn't mine. One of my friend asked me to order this for him, so this is his. I'm gonna set it aside. I won't show it in the vlog. And yet another sleeveless hoodie. Like these things black. Like crazy. Once I saw it, I knew I had to get it. Does it fit? Yeah, I think it fits. I am going to end the vlog here. Saturday and Sunday I'm going to Playlist Live, so you can check me out. Hopefully I get to see Roman Atwood and Brittany and Swoozie on Sunday. Roman Atwood and Brittany on Saturday and Swoozie on Sunday. So subscribe to my channel, and that's just about it. You gotta stay tuned to see more. So thanks for watching and peace out.